오늘도 가드닝 영상을 보여드리려고 하는데, 이 가드닝 영상은 이 채널에는 이게 마지막이고 제가 다른 채널을 만들어서 거기에 올릴 것 같아요. 영어랑 한국어 섞일 것 같은데 아직은 잘 모르겠어요. 일단 이번 영상에는 영어 리스닝 연습으로 영어로 하겠습니다. So these are the potato plants from the last video. You can see they're dying, but there's still some life to them, so I gotta wait. I don't know if I'd be able to eat them though this year. I mean, they'd be ready this year, but I gotta travel. I gotta go to Korea as well. I haven't been able to go anywhere actually because this year I've been planning more of these things, and you gotta water them. The watering schedule is not it's not so flexible actually. You can see the kale here. They are absolutely frost hardy. I had no idea. They're doing very well. I haven't been eating them as much these days. Today I gotta dig up some stuff, not the potatoes. Let me show you. Okay, so we have the radishes. These are so you can see, so this is my first year growing them. You can see that the best way, I'm currently testing out when's the best time to pull it. Well, I gotta pull it now because otherwise I won't be able to eat them before I go. So right now I'm just kind of looking at the layers. So there's one layer, and then there's like another layer here, and then there's another layer, so like kind of like three. I'm just kind of trying to gauge because you never know when you pull it out if it's big enough, and I haven't gotten a super big radish just yet, but I gotta pull them out. So today you can see it. Okay, gotta be careful of the nettle because the nettle's so you can see the ends. Okay, I'm gonna pull it. I hope it's bigger than usual. Oh wow! But they're not super big, as you can tell. They're very small. But I don't know if this is the Korean radish I put. I don't think so actually. So they should grow bigger. So technically I should wait longer. So I have this, but then I saw another one. I'll show you. Okay, so I saw this one. So I feel like the leaves sometimes aren't really the indicators for how the radish is growing inside. So well, I'm trying to see, that's what I'm trying to see. So because you can see there's barely any leaves compared to the other one, but I see more of the radish. I mean, it could just mean that the soil is more compacted. I'm not certain, but I'm gonna pull this out as well just to see. Also, I gotta eat some. So it's about the same size, you can see, but I'm not certain if this is the same kind of radish, you see, because I actually planted so many different kinds, but the leaves are good still. They're very fresh. So I'll get that one. Let me see. And you can see the broccoli, I think, because I don't know if I'm ever gonna get it. We'll see. You just gotta eat the leaves, I guess, but definitely because it's colder, the bugs, there's not enough bugs, so maybe I can harvest some of the leaves. Okay, so there's a super big one, or it's kind of one of the ones I've noticed quite early on growing. So this one also has about, I would say, 3 layers, but the leaves are much bigger, and I see the ends, it's much wider than the other one, so I do want to pull it out and see, only because I gotta go and I can't. Oh, this is definitely bigger. I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is the biggest radish I've gotten. The biggest, although it seems like it can obviously grow bigger, but the thing is, they say if the radish stays too long, like, it could get woody. I'm not certain, but definitely it's the biggest one I've gotten so far. So I'm good with that. Let's take a look at something else.